Hello, friends. This is Saumil Patel this side, and today I am going to talk about my last project. Okay, so in my last project, I have used PCS 7. PCS 7 is the Siemens DCS. Okay, so that I am going to talk about. Okay, and you know that the PCS 7 is the uh, best DCS in the world. I believe that because I have used that and I have seen the another DCS also. Okay, so in my last project, I have did the PCS 7 full development. Okay, and yes, there is some migration is available. My basic software was of 7.0 version. Okay, in PCS 7.0 version. So I have migrated from 7.0 to 8.2, but at the end of the project, as per the client requirement, I have migrated from 8.2 to 9.0 also. Okay, so this is the journey of the project. Okay, and in this journey I have did so many extraordinary things like third party communication via Anybus gateway. So that third party communication is with the Rockwell PLC, right? So that can be done with the help of the Anybus gateway. So Anybus gateway is nothing but the third party device that will communicate with the PCS 7 Profinet protocol and Ethernet protocol of the Allen Bradley. Okay, so that I have did the S7412 to S7417, which is of the PCS 7 PLC. Okay, so at the one end there is a 412 PLC, and from my side, obviously PCS 7 PLC, which is nothing but the 417H. Okay, so in between this 400 PLC, I have did the communication via Profinet, right? So these two kind of communications I have did in this project. Okay, and apart from that, I have did the CFC development, I have did the SFC development, and I'm telling you guys, CFC and SFC is the best feature to do the programming. Okay, I loved it. I loved it. So this is the part of the project. And first of all, when I started the software development, okay, so I think almost 2 months are completed for the software development. After that, software fat has done, and after software fed there is a modification for punch points, means of the punch points that I have did, right? So during this process, first of all software development, after that there is some testing after software development. Okay, then there is a software fed, then there is a punch point closing days. Okay, and after this in-house process, we deputed for the commissioning, right? So during the commissioning, we have gone through the loop testing, device testing, okay, input output testing, right? Networking part, okay, communication, networking part of the remote IOs, right? Networking part of the, you can say that, with the VFDs, right? So around 20 VFDs are present in my project, right? And all of these 20 VFDs are communicated over Profinet. So there is a chance to configure that VFD over Profinet communication with the PCS 7, right? So that I have did in my project. Right. So it was a very great experience that I am sharing with you guys. Okay, so I love the Siemens, and that's why I love the PCS 7 also, right? So it was a very great experience from my side. And after completing of the commissioning, we have started the production, right? So during the production, obviously, at the time of production there should be some changes, some minor changes, some fine tuning work of the logic that can be done. Okay, so that almost all of the works are completed, and right now production support is given to the client. Okay, and you can, means I can say that it was a very great project that I have did till now. Okay, because in the PCS 7, this was my second project, but yes, I love this project, and I loved my working, and I almost 2 months of software development. After that, 10 days of this software fat and testing, and after that, 2.5 months of commissioning. Okay, so almost 5 months project. It was a 5 months project. Okay, and yes, within a timeline, this project is completed and client is satisfied right now. Okay, and okay, so that's it about my experience regarding the PCS 7 and my project. Okay, and goodbye, thank you.